We haven't had a video in a while, so let's do treat video. You want a treat? Good girl. That's her saying please. This is hard to do with one hand. Mama. Hey. Would you like another one? Please. Oh, this is going to be like a Blair Witch Project video. All shaky and it's hard to do with one hand. Mommy. Okay, ready? Extreme close up. Do you like another one? That's my thumb. Want another one? Oh, you look like a ferocious tiger there. How about another one? Let's do a trick. Hup. Oh. Good girl. Wow, do you think we made people sick now? With all the shaky video? One more? It's all Luana's fault. She's the crack dealer. Okay, ready? Good job, baby. That's it. You gotta lick the fingers. You done? You done? You're very sweet. You're very welcome. Say bye-bye. Bye, everybody.